Welcome, friends. The topic of this video is to find out through a quick method whether the moon is malefic or benefic in nature. Not in terms of the sign, but more about waxing and waning of the moon. That is the Shukla Paksh and Krishna Paksh. Now, let's go into the astronomy part of it. So, if you see here, let's say here on the right side, you see the sun or the sun rays. So, whenever the moon travels to the opposite direction here from the sun and is the earth, it's a full moon. When it comes towards the direction of the sun, that's the new moon or Amavasya. So, in a birth chart, how we find out whether the moon is benefic, malefic, or like has strength in case of, let's say, the full moon day is the location of the moon relative to sun in your birth chart. So if you are born at that time, whatever the position of the moon, based on that it will show up in your birth chart. For instance, if sun and moon are together in a particular sign and house, like maximum 45-degree apart, 0 to 45 degree, if it's that range, that close, that means you were born on a new moon day, Amavasya, or closer to that. If it's a full moon, then the sun and moon will be in the opposite direction in a birth chart. If the moon position is like leaving the sun and moving away, then it's a Shukla Paksh because that's when the moon is again regaining the strength. If the moon is coming towards the sun from the full moon day, it's the Krishna Paksha. So, in traditions, we have seen some of the auspicious things, events, even in case of gemstone prescription, it is prescribed to wear during the Shukla Paksh when the moon is waxing. So, those auspicious timings are dependent on the position of the moon. Now, we'll see a few examples here on all the four things that we discussed. So, in case of this birth chart, moon is opposite to sun, so that means it's a birth at the time of full moon. In this case, moon is moving towards the sun. It's a waning moon. It's a Krishna Paksha. In this case, moon is with sun in the same house. It's a Amavasya. And in this case, moon is going away from the sun. It's a Shukla Paksha. Now, how these things also help is in timing the events as well. So, just looking at the birth chart, you see the sign where sun is placed. You get to know the month, and depending on the sign of moon and the placement related to sun, you get which part of the month, right? So this is how, with a very quick method, you can find out the Shukla Paksha, Krishna Paksha, Purnima, and Amavasya from a birth chart. You are watching the Jupiter retrograde channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel.